Attitude determines everything. Whether you are a student, employee, businessman, homemaker, professional, or a freelancer, whatever your profession or sphere of work. Understand that it is your attitude that determines your happiness. Understand that it is your attitude that determines your success in the task taken up. Understand that it is your attitude that makes a life or breaks the life. What you learn in the life, what you earn in the life, how you love your life, how you live your life, the way you chase your dreams, the way you live your dreams, and the kind of a legacy that you leave behind. It all depends on what kind of attitude that you have.